its arrival, H-Town is feeling the heat today. In fact, we could be seeing our first 90-degree temperature since back out towards October 23rd of last year. So it's been quite a while since we've seen our temperatures getting towards that level. But as that cool front comes on in, we should start to bring around drier air in its way. So the area of low pressure and that front are located right about here. The showers and thunderstorms we did see move on in across Mississippi and Alabama are pushing over there towards the east. But they did have out there in the Atlanta area a tornado warning in place. So they actually saw some tornado damage out towards the city area. But as we watch right here, this area of low pressure, its cold front drop on down. We can see behind it cooler temperatures up across the panhandle. But up ahead of it, it's warm to downright hot. Down across southern portions of Texas already into the mid-90s. But when you factor in the humidity, it certainly does feel warmer than that. In fact, it feels about 93 degrees at Bush Intercontinental, 93 in Sugar Land, 95 degrees in Angleton. Feels certainly better out there for breeze coming in off the Gulf of Mexico up across in places like Galveston. So the view outside coming on in from Memorial City, you can see those clouds up above, but also that haze right at the surface indicating all that moisture just sitting around the ground. We have temperatures sitting in the mid-80s right there with more winds coming on in out of that southerly direction around 10 to 20 miles per hour. 3 hour-by-hour forecast, our highs today will get up into the upper 80s to the low 90s in several spots. We'll see our temperatures briefly cool down just into the mid-70s overnight. So we're going to start off your Tuesday on a warm note with temperatures on the rise as that cold front pushes our way. You can see as you make your way through Texas for your day today, there's a chance for seeing some strong to severe weather across the Dallas area, for instance. Then by tomorrow, it does kind of clip the Houston metro area, especially for areas east of Harris County. As we watch that system move on in across northern sections of Texas, we can see those storms firing on up later on today, and then we'll watch that front drop down towards the overnight hours, pushing in towards southeastern Texas. Whereas you go through the morning hours, you may see a few raindrops here and there, but it's going to be these storms popping up around the 3 to 5 o'clock hour that we could be seeing turning the strong to severe side. If you're west of Harris County, especially north and west, you'll be out of the clearing of dealing with any of those active cells popping on up. But we're not anticipating any big-time rain concerns with these storms coming on in, just a couple more tenths of an inch pushing our way. But afterwards, though, we'll start to see that humidity start to go down towards much more comfortable levels for Wednesday and through Thursday. So the second half of the work week will feel much nicer than the first half. But as we make our way, unfortunately, in towards Mother's Day, coming on up this Sunday, it's going to be feeling warm, a little steamy out there. And unfortunately, Sherman, we are keeping our eyes on the potential for seeing some scattered thunderstorms. But getting up towards that time frame, it certainly will be nice up across town.